Bitcoin Cash may register a 2.5% decline by August 15, according to 30 rates. But first, let's start with the current situation on the market. As we speak, Bitcoin Cash is down 3.9% on the day and trades close to $206.30. Let's go straight to the analysts' views. According to 30 rates, the asset could reach $201 by August 15, a loss of roughly 2.5% from today's price. CoinCodex expects Bitcoin Cash to fall to $205.22, a projected decrease of about 0.4%. Coin price forecast highlights a potential move up to $207, a projected gain near 0.4%. A different outlook from traders union indicates Bitcoin Cash might move higher toward $208.15, roughly 1% higher. Finally, Gov Capital believes the price could advance to $214.16 by tomorrow, 3.9% above current levels. This is the highest profit estimate so far. That's the end of forecast views. Let's continue. Lining up the predictions, here's what they suggest. According to the data, the price swing could be from a decline of 2.5% to a rise of 3.9%. Based on these forecasts, Gov Capital stands in first place with 3.9% climb in value by August 15. In short, you could pocket between $4 and $39 for every $1,000 you invest. Considering the probabilities, CoinCodex has the forecast most likely to succeed, with an 80.8% chance. From the complete set of 5 forecasts, I've created a shared projection. The average outlook points to Bitcoin Cash moving to around $207.11. Let's break it down. The consensus outlook indicates a 0.5% rise in price by tomorrow. To put it simply, your capital could likewise gain by 0.5% if the scenario holds. On a 1,000 position, this could potentially mean around $5 more. So by probability measures, the consensus view for Bitcoin Cash is given a chance of around 80%. At this point in the video, let's uncover the 3-day scenarios analysts anticipate. A drop is expected by 30 rates, reinforcing the downside view. A neutral stance is reflected in CoinCodex's outlook. Coin price forecast projects the price moving north in the short term. Traders Union notes that Bitcoin Cash is likely to remain stable. Additionally, Gov Capital suggests stability will dominate this horizon. Overall, the consensus points to Bitcoin Cash remaining balanced across the 3-day period. In conclusion, the majority view highlights a bullish short-term outlook for Bitcoin Cash. 5 forecasts were shared 2 days ago. Yesterday provided the results to evaluate. In the end, the daily session finished at $206.50. Yesterday's market showed that most forecasts captured the trend correctly. Closest forecast to the actual move came from CoinDataFlow. Let's take a closer look at the details. Yesterday's move showed 4 forecasts inside the range. Looking at ROI, all analysts performed well, with the highest figure recorded at 3.1%. Here's the results table. A clear look at how things turned out from the table. CoinDataFlow reached 2.6% ROI and accuracy. Try to notice which predictions aged best once the day was over. Let's take a look at how tomorrow's projected performance in percentage terms compares for Bitcoin Cash and the others. According to forecasts, Bitcoin Cash stands second, while Bonk holds first with 2%. In this section, Bitcoin Cash is compared with 4 randomly selected cryptocurrencies. A wider comparison can already be found on my website. Before we close, hit like and subscribe if you want to keep following these multi-analyst breakdowns. See you in the next analyst check.